Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing the Logitech MX Master 3S, the best silent mouse of 2024, perfect for iOS, Mac, Windows laptops, and gaming. This mouse is a top choice for those who want high performance without the noise. Let's dive in. As we open the box, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek, modern design. The packaging is minimalistic, but it feels premium, reflecting the quality of the MX Master 3S. Inside the box, you'll find the mouse itself, a quick start guide, and a USB-C charging cable. That's right. This mouse is rechargeable, so no more hunting for batteries. It's designed to work seamlessly across iOS, Mac, and Windows devices, making it a versatile option for any setup. Now, let's talk about the mouse itself. The first thing you'll notice when you pick it up is how lightweight it is, yet it feels incredibly sturdy. The design is ergonomic, fitting comfortably in your hand, which is great for long work sessions or extended gaming marathons. The matte finish gives it a premium look and it's resistant to fingerprints, keeping it looking clean and professional. But what truly sets the MX Master 3S apart is its silent clicking technology. Let's give it a try. Pause for click sound effect. Did you hear that? Exactly, you didn't. This mouse is engineered for near silent operation, perfect if you're working in a shared space or just prefer a quieter environment while you work or game. Another standout feature is the high precision sensor, making it ideal for gaming. It offers adjustable DPI settings so you can customize the sensitivity to your liking, whether you're browsing the web or in the heat of an intense gaming session. Connectivity is also top-notch. The MX Master 3S can connect via Bluetooth or the included USB receiver, giving you flexibility depending on your device. The battery life is impressive too, up to 70 days on a single charge, which means you can go weeks without worrying about recharging. Overall, the Logitech MX Master 3S is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their setup, whether you're on iOS, Mac, or Windows, and whether you're using it for work or gaming. That's it for this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.